Hi guys, my name is Rahul and we are going to do an unboxing and a full review of Redmi Earbuds. I'm really sorry for the watermarks in this video because I was testing Honor 20 and I was testing its camera, so I forgot to turn off the watermarks. So back into the video, I bought this Redmi Earbuds because I was looking for a good wireless earphones to check, and I saw it was priced very low and I got it from AliExpress for 1100 rupees. And because it's a Xiaomi product, I was expecting a better quality than other low-end fully wireless products. So let's see what's inside the box here. So inside the box there is the charging case, and then there is a few ear tips to change. Okay, there is no cables here. Maybe if it is released in India, there will be cables. I don't know. There is enough pockets to put a cable also. Then there is the maybe the read guide to the product. It's in Chinese, so even if it is in English, we will not be reading it. So that is that inside the box. So let me remove the plastics here. So this is the charging case and it weighs just around 36 grams, and it's really small. We can see the reflection and all. It's really plastic and I feel it responds to scratches easily because it's very glossy. Then there is this micro USB port for charging. So as I mentioned, this is a 36 gram, just that, so it's very easy to carry. So inside the box we can see the airport itself. I am going to remove it. These two only cost around 4.1 grams, or only weighs around, sorry, 4.1 grams. So it's very small and very easy to lose. So inside the charging case you can see this pins using which uh, the airports are charged, sorry, the air dots are charged. So this is the airport is really small. I will remove the plastics here, so you can see just around, you can see the pins there which will connect to the pins inside the case to charge. Okay, let me check, there is another plastic, let me remove it also. Okay, so that is done. So it looks nice, but it does not feel does not have any heft. So it will be very easy to carry on, but also very easy to lose because it's really small and does not weigh at all. So let me remove the plastics in the other one too. So talking about these drivers, it has a 7.2 drivers inside this. It has a Ryzen, I guess, 8763 chipset inside it. It has Bluetooth 5 and it support SBC Bluetooth codec. But unfortunately, it does not support aptX codec. But it's a very low price product, so you shouldn't be expecting that. So then we can move into the how it works and how it connects. It's a Bluetooth, it supports Bluetooth 5.0, so it will be very easy to connect. I will press down so that we can see the blinking lights to connect. I'm thinking that this will be very easy to connect to a phone. Okay, so there is the blinking LED. I'm hopeful that if you connect uh, one to your phone, the other one pairs along with that. So let me see, this is the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Let me connect this to this phone. So I have turned on the Bluetooth. I am going to search it and you can see it's shown both, so I am going to click on one. Boom, it's connected. So it's very easy to connect. I think the both are connected here. So that is that. So let me find the music player inside this. Okay. So hopeful that the sound is not too much and YouTube will copyright me or anything like that. We will check because it has switches actually, not any touch controls. So if one press, it can play and pause the song. If you long press, you will get the Google Assistant or even Siri in the Apple. So let me check. So I think it will only work with the port that is actually connected, the airport, the air dot that is connected. So it is not working here. Let me check this one. Yes, here it works. So you have to use the switch in the connected air dot for the functions to work. Let's pause, it plays and everything like that. Okay, let me long press. It's very small. I am not able to. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not pressing down. Let me press it down. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not getting the force. Maybe I'm tapping it. I will try to press it. Yes. When I press it hard, little hard, you can see that the Google Assistant pop up. So this is the case. If even if it is in Bluetooth, it's connected. If you put it inside the Bluetooth connection, easily cut off. You can see that there is a red light is showing, and it is starts to charge easily. So this AirPods had one, or it takes around 2 hours to charge if it is fully depleted. Its battery life is around. Sorry, it will take around 1 hour 30 minutes. So you can see that it is getting charged at the charging case. So the battery life is okay, I guess. 1 hour 30 minutes is for earbuds to charge, and almost 2.5 hours for the depleted case to charge. And the battery life is like it can charge up to 4 hours, I guess. It played around 4 hours for me, so almost around 4 hours. If you use the charging case, you can increase the battery life up to 12 hours, I guess. So you can see that when I took out the AirDots, it got easily connected. So let me go into the YouTube and show a little bit of how this sounds. It is not a scientific test, but you can little bit feel that how good is the sound. uh, so the spoiler alert, it's pretty good. So I tried the voice call to check the clarity of some mics. I read in some reviews that its voice quality is not good, but for me it was really good. If you are in this room kind of situation, it's really clear. Even though I have long hair and it can cover up the mics, it really worked. Rule. My friend said that I was heard properly, but if it is a noisy environment, it has some kind of issue because it does not have any noise cancellation. Maybe it gets little bit of ambient noise, but I didn't feel that it was really bad as the review said. So if you talk about the sound quality, it's pretty good. It's really snug fit, and it has decent amount of bass, and I really kind of like the sound of this one. For the price, it's really sounds really good. The music listening is a very good experience here. Let me do the shake test, and okay, so it is really snug fit, and it is not getting fall down. That's great. So as a conclusion for this entire review, so let's talk about the design of the Redmi AirDots. It's pretty plasticky. It's nothing great. It I think it because it's glossy, it can get scratched very easily, and also it can, if it falls down, it definitely will break. But it weighs really less. I mean, there's only weigh only 36 grams around, so it is also very small, so it is easy to pocket. And if you talk about the design of the AirDots, it's very small, it's very easy to get lost. But if you are very careful, and if you are not using, you should be putting it inside a case if you don't want to get it lost. Also the quality is average, that's it. The sound quality is pretty good. It has decent amount of bass, and for the price, I think it is a really great product. Comparing to the level use earphones I was using, and also the Mi Bluetooth earphone basics, this is definitely better than that those two. Then about the voice quality, also its voice clarity is pretty good for phone calls. If you are in room or anything, it will be really crystal clear. Outside also, it can allow ambient noise to get inside, but on my testing on the last 2 weeks, I didn't feel like that it was allowing I was able to take calls, and that the people on the side was easy to hear. So I actually cannot complain about this. It has decent amount of what can I, it can keep up a long time because the distance I got, I moved from one room to another, keeping the mobile at a distance. It didn't get disconnected, so the range was pretty good. Then about the battery backup, I got almost 4 hours on a single charge for the AirDots. So it has 40 mAh battery. Then when I was using the case, it has 300 mAh of battery or something like that. So it can almost give you 10 to 12 hours if you, even if you are away from a charger using the keys and the AirDots. So if you conclude all these things, you can see that for the price I got, it was 1100. It's a great product. If you are looking for a fully wireless product, should be the one of the first one you should consider because of the price. If you don't have the budget for a pricier one, so if you can take this and you are okay with it, you can buy from AliExpress, or else we can pray that Xiaomi can bring this as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this review. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.